Hello guys and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to be learning how to fix the missing features problem on your TikTok app. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you get notified every time we post a new video. Without further ado, let's get started. So when you're on your TikTok, there are certain features that other users have that you still haven't been made available to. Now for that, what you do is you go to your profile, tap on the profile icon on the bottom of your screen, and then on the 3-bar icon that appears on the top right of your screen, you tap on it, tap on settings and privacy, scroll down until you see the option of free up space. Then you can see cache and downloads take up a lot of space on your phone. So what you do is you simply clear cache and clear your downloads. Another way to do this is to go back and then long press on your TikTok app, go to app info, and then enable your TikTok to be force stopped. Confirm that you want to force stop this app, and then go to clear data, and you can see two options here: clear all data and clear cache. First, to clear all your cache, and then tap on clear data, which will remove all your login informations. So you're going to have to log in again. After you've done that, if it still shows some features missing that the other users have, then what you do is you long press on TikTok app again and tap on uninstall. After that, you go to your Play Store and reinstall this TikTok app, and then your features will be made available. If it isn't made available, then the next thing to do is to wait until an update arrives in your region, because sometimes updates take a while to arrive in different regions of the world. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.